How do you innovate better, faster, and with less risk while ensuring that your company stays competitive and achieves sustainable revenue growth and profit? Introducing InnoCentive, the industry pioneer in open innovation, crowdsourcing, and prize competitions. We enable businesses, government agencies, and nonprofits to generate creative new ideas and solve problems by connecting them to diverse communities of problem solvers, including employees, customers, partners, and the world's largest problem-solving network, which reaches over 12 million creative and diverse minds. InnoCentive's business revolves around the concept of overcoming challenges, which at the core are well-formed problems whose solutions have value. Our customers use us to identify, develop, and run challenges as private or public competitions with award-based incentives. Our customers maintain full control over the process, including the audiences to which the challenges are presented, as well as the award amounts, which can range from $500 to over $1 million. Challenges come in a variety of forms, from brainstorming and general idea gathering for marketers seeking insight from customers, to complex technical or scientific problems which, if left unaddressed, may derail an important development effort. We also run grand challenges, which are highly visible and valuable challenges that are uniquely tailored for each customer. Solutions to these unique challenges typically have far-reaching benefits to humanity and the world. For more than a decade, InnoCentive has run thousands of challenges across a wide range of disciplines, while successfully managing intellectual property and protecting the anonymity of our customers. We typically work with our customers in two primary ways. We help you to identify ideas and needs and run challenges to quickly solve problems affecting specific programs. Time to value is often short, a matter of weeks depending on the type of challenge. Or you can leverage our cloud-based innovation platform and expert services to help you develop an open innovation capability that spans your division or entire organization. These longer-term engagements start delivering value almost immediately, and we also provide options for running trial programs. For all of our solutions, we provide ongoing support, coaching, and training. InnoCentive's goal is straightforward. We want to help you achieve measurable innovation and business outcomes. Our business model is based on paying for solutions, not work or failure. We strive to fundamentally change your economics of innovation and problem solving. Leading organizations partner with InnoCentive to harness the power of open innovation, crowdsourcing, and prize competitions to solve problems and innovate faster, more cost-effectively, and with less risk than ever before. Are you ready for the challenge? Visit www.innocentive.com or call 1-855-CROWD now to get started. InnoCentive, where the world innovates.